5 easy exercises to lose your belly fat fast at home for beginners. Yes, you heard that right. How easy can it get to lose your belly fat just sitting in a chair like I am? I have brought for you top 5 super easy exercise which you can do on a daily basis to finally get rid of that belly fat soon. No jumping, no standing, no laying on the floor, no equipment needed. Super easy exercises to finally bid adieu to your belly fat and see it say bye-bye. Nobody will call you a couch potato anymore because you're going to make most of that time in front of your favorite TV show, catching up on all the juiciest of gossip, doing these 5 super easy exercises with me on a daily basis. And soon you will see your belly flatten out and you will get a slim waist too, just like me. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this top 5 easy exercises to get rid of your belly fat. Let me show you the first exercise. Here comes the second exercise. And now I bring to you the third exercise. Here comes the fourth exercise. for the last and final, super easy, fifth exercise. So I hope you enjoyed my top 5 toning and tightening exercises for your belly. Well, along with it, I suggest you follow a calorie deficit diet plan, eat healthy, make sure you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water on a daily basis and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. There's no stopping you from getting a slim waist and a flat belly. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.